Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want to show you how I was able to analyze crash 500 and give me massive whatever 500 or $1,000. Do I missed the trade? I missed the trade actually. So I want to show you the setup and how it played out. Okay, this happened yesterday. So first thing I had to do was to like now I'm on the higher time frame, the daily time frame. You can see that we have the market has been bullish. The market has been bullish on the higher time frame. So I have to put a trend line somewhere like this, or this is just gonna, rather than trying to see a kind of structure or somewhere here. And also there is a support zone somewhere here. Why I'm putting this horizontal line right is because of what we have here. Let me take off this trend line so that I explain well to you. This is actually a support zone. Do you know why it's a support zone? This is support a key level in the first place, because market has been buying and selling from that zone. You can see the wicks of, see these candlesticks here, around here, and the ones above here. So this makes it a key level, and mind you, this is a higher time frame. So the close and open of this candle, these other candlesticks here, and the close of this the low of this candlesticks wick confirm that this is a strong support zone in the market. So it confirms that. So let me put back the trend line there. All right, so going back, I have to go to the a lower time frame, like the 4 hourly time frame, so I can mark out other possible structures that I can find, or key levels and trend lines. Let me just see if I can find any. Although we know the market is actually bullish, the market is actually bullish, so we can just decide to draw a trend line. But this one is not really necessary because the market has already broken out of this particular trend. Can see market has broken out of this trend, so it's not really necessary that we concentrate. It's just to focus on the current structure that the market is actually forming, and that structure is the one we are seeing right here. There's a structure here. It's a kind of structure here, but I'm not sure how to put this trend line for now. Let me see. I think this is gonna work. Okay, okay, so that is it. Then the next thing we are going to do is to look out for a key level on this 4 hourly time frame. And looking at it, I think I can find a key level quickly. I can quickly find a key level right here. There's a level. This looks like a level. Duplicate this line and place somewhere like this. It looks like that's a level on the 4 hourly time frame. But this level seems to be more better when we go to a lower time frame. But for now I can see it's actually a level because I can see the buys and sell. Market sold from here, bought from here, bought from here, bought from here, sold from here, and also bought from here and bought from here. So market is actually on that same level right now. So let's go down to the 1 hourly time frame and see what the market has for us. All right, so on the 1 hourly time frame, you can see those spots we marked, those where we marked that trend line. So you can see how they really appear here more better. And now, so if you understand my strategy, let me just show you what happened yesterday. So yesterday I saw this structure right here. This structure, I saw this structure. The market was somewhere around this point, I guess somewhere around this point yesterday. But looking at this structure, like, my strategy, that once I see this kind of movement, what I want is I want to see a kind of movement that looks like this. So once I start seeing this one, and for the fact that I know where the market is headed to because of this trend line that was put previously, so I'm expecting the market, on getting to this trend line, there has to be a reaction that will confirm the market is going to sell. So as you can see, on market getting to that trend line, it changed direction. So the next thing we would have to do was to place a trend line. I placed a trend line. I placed a trend line, but this trend line, I didn't place it on this particular time frame. Why I didn't place it was that you can see the market had already changed its movement. Sorry, let me get the arrow line too. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. You can see the market the direction, the movement of the market was like this. Then the market changed direction and was rather moving this way, kind of ranging. You see, so the only way we can continue, the only way we can wait for it is to put a line that will look somehow horizontal, and then put another one that will be somehow like this. And the best thing we'll do is to go to a lower time frame, so that we can see have a better view of this. You know, this structure is very small, and this on the 1 hourly time frame. So if we go to a lower time frame, we will see this structure very clearly, and then we'll know where to place, because we have all these wicks. These are rejections, and mean that there's a support zone around here. You understand? So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so on the 15 minutes time frame, good. So you can see this structure that I was saying right here. You can see what happened. See what happened. So the market was just it was actually creating higher highs and higher lows, and then we have all this. See what happened. The market couldn't continue creating higher highs and higher lows at this point. Is what happened. Let me bring this. Oh, you can see that movement. That's the movement that happened. You understand? Then the market, for the fact that we have this, does not really guarantee that the market was just going to buy immediately or sell immediately. Let me show you guys something, guys. Let me show you. You can see this is a support. This is support. This is support. In fact, this is actually a key level. This is support. This is support here. So now there are two support zones here. Right now, there are two support zones to be considered. This particular trend line support and this horizontal support here. So if market is able to break out of this horizontal trend line support, you have to look out for this particular support that's very close to it, guys. So that was why I decided to put another line around here. Let me zoom out so I can place the line properly, also considering the fact that there was a strong level around there. So I decided to place a trend line. Let me show you guys how I did it. Coming. I did something like this, and I extended it to, yes, because this is where other where we had previous sales too. So I knew this to be a strong key level in the market. I marked this because I knew this was a strong level. Market was selling from here. Market was selling and selling. So this was that same level here. It was that same level that we noticed the market was also buying here, and also buying here. Guys, these things I'm showing you, I don't know how it appears, how it looks now to you, but you should understand that it requires some practice, like I used to tell you. If you don't practice, you will not understand. So whenever you see this kind of whenever you want to mark a structure like a key level or strong support or resistance zone, always trace to the left to confirm that those activities have been happening previously. You might ask why I did not place the line above, like place this line up here. I did not see the need to put that line right there, because there is also a buy activity at this point. So with this buy activity at this sorry, sell activity at this point, with this, excuse me, with this sell activity at this point, so I regarded these ones as a kind of a fake out, and looking and seeing the fact that the buy activities on this other side were really from this particular point around this zone. So I had to join this trend line to match up with what we have, sorry, this horizontal line, to match up with what we have. So these ones can be as fake outs, while the buy activities are really here, and this one can be fake out. And I cannot just bring this line down to actually cover these ones right here. Where did I even keep it? Okay, yes, this is the right zone I placed it. You see, so to cover for these ones, and also these buying activities, because most times I consider what I consider most is the current side of the market, is the current side of the market. So this is the current side of the market, and on the current side of the market we have more buys, so I have to respect it. I have to respect it. There's a buy here, there's a buy here, there's a buy here, and there's a buy here, there's a buy here. So the best thing is to try to put your line, your horizontal line, to respect this particular, because it's a strong support zone. If you count the number of times market has been buying from it, guys. So this is a key level in the market. Only that I don't like making my rectangles very big. If I do a bigger rectangle, you see it will cover, it will accommodate all those points where the market has bought and sold, guys. So you can see this is a strong level. After drawing this setup, and this horizontal line, I think the market was somewhere around here, and I closed. Okay, I think I was busy with other stuff. Before I came back, the market had already broken out and came back and retested this zone. You see the sniper entry here at this point. You see the massive sales. The market sold to the downside. The market sold massively to the downside. You see, so the only opportunity I took to make some money was when the market came down to this level as it was coming. I noticed this particular movement right here. When I started noticing this movement around this point, I knew the market was about to change direction. Like I used to tell you, when the market comes impulsively and then start seeing a mix of red and green candlesticks, too many reds and too many greens, they know that the market is about to start changing direction. So I decided to take opportunity by, first of all, drawing a trend line. I drew a trend line this way. I drew a trend line like this, you know, then waited for a breakout. That's what I did. I drew a trend line like this, and the market was going to break out. So, and it played out. So you can see the market breakout, and based on my strategy, it has to go above the recent higher low or lower high, which is this, and it went above it. It came back to retest this zone, which it bought previously, and you can see the massive buys to the upside. See the massive buys to the upside. So market bought from this place. You can see it went, pulled back, and continued buying up to this level. Only this level alone, only the small buys from here to here can give you some good profit. Then I pulled back again, then continued buying, came back to this zone where it had bought previously. So if you were fortunate to see this opportunity, once the market coming to where it has bought before, just try expect some buys after a good confirmation. So you can see the market bought massively and got to this place before it started coming down. Now we can see the market is now forming a different structure. There's a chance it might be selling. There's a chance this market might be selling today, because on the 4 hourly time frame, I guess, is it this particular pair I saw that on the daily time frame? No. Okay, I think that one I saw on daily, on the, how do we call it, maybe crash 1000 is where I saw that one. The chances of the market selling for a little while, and so on. All right, so on this 15 minutes time frame, you can see then the market has given us another movement right here. You can see this. So all you need to do is just keep joining trend lines once the market changes direction, and start creating higher highs and higher lows. Keep drawing trend lines and following it up. That's what you need to do. Whenever you see a breakout and the market come back to retest where it sold previously, then you enter. Now, based on my strategy, if the market can come down to this level, if the market can come down to this level and go a little below it, then comes back to this zone where it sold previously. If it comes back to this zone, because there's a key level around here. There is a key level around here. If the market can get back to this zone, I expect massive sales to the downside. If the market can get back to this zone, I expect massive sales to the downside. But I won't want to enter the trade just immediately. I will want to see the market come down below this low first, so that I can confirm that there's a change of character and the market is actually has plans of selling. Else, expect more buys. So there's a chance that if the market does not go below this low first, below this low at first, but gets to this point, there's a chance it can continue buying, and this one will just be a fake out. So it can continue buying and will buy above this, buy till it gets out of this channel that is just forming. So let's just watch out for what the market is going to give I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but whenever you see it, just check on the chart to see how it played out. So that's just my analysis and my view on the this thing, how they call it, crash 500 today. So it's a very simple way to analyze the market. It's not difficult, guys. Just draw trend lines. Once you notice the market is changing, draw trend lines. Most time it might be very long, like what happened here. It might be a very long trend line. You can see what happened here. It took a whole lot of time to get this to happen, you see. So after this happened, after this there was a breakout. The market came back because of this support zone here. Market couldn't really sell well, so it has to break this support zone, retest properly before it sold, guys. So you just need to be learning these things every day, practice it. The more you practice, the more you get more clarity, and the higher the chance of you being successful in trading forex. All right, guys, there is a link in the description of this video. Just click on that link to join my Telegram channel so they can be updated when we have events. Like I mentioned in my last video, the free training shall be rescheduled, but the date is not yet fixed. I shall update you guys in the Telegram channel. So click on that link, join the Telegram channel. If you need a one-on-one mentorship, you contact me ASAP, and then I will we negotiate so that I can schedule your classes ASAP. And also, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video now, please click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you can be seeing my videos as it's drop. And also, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video to encourage me and the YouTube algorithm to make it available to other people who are looking for this kind of valid information, guys. So till my next video, stay blessed. Peace out.